Hey cats, welcome back to another episode of Wildcat TV.
We're your hosts, Jordan
And Jada.
So far, this spring, we've been seeing some gloomy days, and I just really want to hear Sage's jokes right now to lighten the mood.
Hey Wildcats, I'm your weatherman, Sage Evans. Why am I doing the weather? Great question. Anyway, on to today's unverified forecast. Saturday, May 3rd, cloudy, cooler, and yes, showers are back to ruin your plans. High around 54 degrees, it's that disrespectful kind of rain that waits until you actually leave the house, then rolls up like your ex when you're finally doing fine. Sunday, May 4th, still mostly cloudy, but if you believe in yourself, anything is possible, even sunlight. A few early showers, then we creep up to a balmy 59 degrees. Expect students cruising around town like gas isn't $5 a gallon. That's your weekend, Wildcats. Get some fresh air, soak up what little sun you can, and make it a good one. Go, Cats!
Thank gosh, I was starting to worry we weren't ever gonna get sun.
With spring sports coming to an end, some of you might be looking for a job. I'm not though, but if you guys are interested, then you might as well pay attention right now.
Hey cats, are you looking for an interesting part-time job with the school district? The Snoqualmie Valley School District's tech team has internship openings for students starting June 23rd, 2025. We are looking for motivated SVSD students aged 16 or older with an interest in technology, computers, and networking. This internship offers practical, hands-on experience with a flexible schedule of up to 10 hours weekly during school and 20 hours weekly during breaks. Go to svsd.tech/intern or click on the link in the description below to learn more and apply today.
By the way, at the beginning of this week, Mount Size Drama Club has started its spring play Once Upon a Mattress.
It goes from Thursday to Saturday, so make sure you show up.
But in the meantime, some people around the school don't get as much credit as they deserve, and we want to show that recognition, so let's show some appreciation for our teachers.
Hey cats, Teacher Appreciation is a special time to recognize educators' hard work and dedication and impact on our lives.
One of my favorite teachers makes sure that she knows us not only in the classroom, but also out of the classroom, making sure to ask me about my day, my interests, and what's going on in my life that goes beyond just assignments in a class.
One of my favorite teachers at Mount Si High School really provides an open and calm space for students to come in and learn. With her friendly face every single day, she constantly makes students feel invited and at home in her classroom, and I really appreciate that.
Teachers play a crucial role in shaping the minds and futures of students, yet their hard work and dedication often go unnoticed. Teacher Appreciation Week is a reminder of educators' impact on our lives, and it's important for students to recognize and understand the value of Teacher Appreciation Day.
Hey cats, today we are talking about how you can study and get ready to pass your driver's test. Many of you are probably in the process of getting your driver's license and still have to take your driving test and your driving exam. So let's share some tips so that you can pass.
When switching lanes, make sure you check your side mirrors and look in your blind spots.
When backing around a corner, physically turn your body and look out the back window. Make sure you back at a slow but constant speed.
Before you drive, make sure you have set your mirrors in the proper position and reviewed your car's buttons.
Listen to your instructor attentively and don't rush, and try practicing driving in the area that you're going to take the test.
We wish you the best of luck on your test, cats.
Hi, I'm Mr. Mankoff and I sponsor Slam Poetry Club. Our club is for anyone who likes to write, read, or share poetry. We're rebooting and rebranding our club for the end of this year and the start of next year. So starting on May 1st, we're moving our meetings to Thursdays, 2:30 to 3:30 after school each week in room 2204. You can share a poem, just listen, or even try your hand at some competition poetry, or just hang out with us. It is never too late to get started. See me in 2204 for more details.
With only 5 weeks left for our class of 2025, here's a senior spotlight of Liam Mackay.
Hey guys, it's about 7 in the morning and it's time to get ready for school.
Most important advice
take a lot of CTE classes. They're really fun.
All right, we're gonna go to track now.
Just go home from track, and we're gonna go to the ice rink now and skate.
As we just got to the game, we're gonna go inside and play. We'll let you know how the game goes afterwards.
My Mount Si High School experience was pretty good. A lot of really good experiences, a lot of good memories.
At the rink with Crosby, we're gonna get some practice in before our game. We'll check in with you guys when the game starts. The game's over. We lost 3-1. 3-1. But it's all right. We'll get them next time. Now I'm gonna head home. All right, guys. It's about 9 o'clock, and I'm gonna go home and eat some dinner.
Hey cats, it's around 10:22. I'm about to go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.
Today, we're exploring Hester, a novel that reimagines a classic tale with a fresh, thought-provoking twist. Set in the past, this book invites readers to question what we truly know about the past and what we choose to remember.
My name is Peyton Matthews. I chose Hester because it's a historical fiction, and it's like not real characters, but like characters living in post Salem witch trials, like after. It's just really interesting because the main character has synesthesia, which means like you can see like certain colors by like names and stuff like that, and that's really awesome. But like she's also depicted as like a witch at that time, so it's just really interesting. It's dark, like classic. It also is a little sad because like how she interacts with people around her, she's very like, I have to keep this hidden. I think they could relate to like hiding a part of yourself and being scared that you'll be like ostracized because of it and like people will hate you for it. It's really cool.
That's all for today's book review. Whether you're already a fan of Hester or this is your first time hearing about it, we hope it sparked your curiosity. Happy reading. To wrap up this episode, we have some information on the Class of 2026 fundraiser. So listen up, juniors.
Hey cats! Please come today to the Mod Pizza on the Ridge to help raise money for the Class of 2026 prom. Just tell the employee at the register that you are with the Class of 2026. Thank you!
Hey cats, a few weeks ago, Baking and Pastry competed to make the best looking cake. Today, we are interviewing 2 members of a winning team.
We had the 10 things I hate about you cake. You had to do either a movie theater or a movie.
A lot of people used fondant, and we thought that it would be a little more authentic to not use any fondant or extra things outside of the classroom.
So the only thing we used to decorate our cake was frosting, and we worked on it all just during the class periods, which was kind of hard to cram in.
That's going to be it for today's episode. Don't forget, cats, to keep on making those
#WildcatMoments2025. Rawr!